Hello guys, welcome back to the Technical Ma'am YouTube channel. Today I am gonna insert the footer at the bottom of the website. So I will make you understand by doing practicals. So I'm gonna use this text editor to make it. This is the front page. Inside my title tag I write footer. Inside my body tag we are gonna create a div tag. Now this div tag is going to do is taking id. I'm gonna call container in this. If you want to call something else you can. There is no specific name. You can call other element inside this. Now inside the container we are gonna create another div element inside it, and you must be thinking what exactly we are doing, why we need second div. So I give id as main. So after this I am going to create footer that is fixed at the bottom of the website. Here I give id as footer. So what we did here, basically the first div we have to call container is going to be the 100% height about the browser. So right now the container takes the entire height of website browser. The footer take jump down the low when we open up website. So the second div inside the container is going about the content of website. Now I'm gonna move to the style tag. So first I'm gonna take star, that is everything about the whole page. I am gonna set margin and padding 0 pixel. We gonna set HTML and body tag styles in style sheet. Then after we apply curly brackets and I set height 100%. After this, for id I use hash. Then after container, then after curly brackets, then I set minimum height 100% about the browser. Now I gonna move to the main id main. Then after curly brackets I gonna set overflow to auto, which is which specifies what should happen if content overflows an element's box. Here value auto means if overflow is clipped, a scroll bar should be added to see the rest of the content. Now I have to set padding bottom for footer 100 pixel. Now hash footer then curly brackets I gonna set background color black, position relative. Then I gonna take height 100 pixel. Now margin top, that I have to set it negative. The reason is that right now the container is on 100% height. Because of the low we have to take it negative. So here I take minus 100 pixel. Guys, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe, like and share. And if you have any doubt, please comment. Now I save the document and load the browser. You will see there is footer at the bottom of the website. Now I have to take clear property with value both, which specifies on which sides on an element floating elements are not allowed to float. Value both specifies no floating elements allowed on either the left or the right side. Now when I save the document and load the browser, you will see the footer at the bottom of the website. Now in main, I apply background color red, and when I save the document, you can see there is the red color div. Now I write anything between second div tag and save the document. Then you see there is the text written on the red color. Now coming back to the text editor, then we have to set height 100 pixel in div main. Then you see there is nothing change. Now we gonna set height 2000 pixel. Save the document and load the browser. You will see there is red color till the footer side. To make you understand, I applied this. So this is the footer tag in HTML5. So guys, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe, like and share. And if you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.